Welcome to today's YouTube video. My name's Amir and this is the Mercedes Arocs. Welcome to the video. Now, today what we've installed on this beautiful lorry is a Scorpion S5 Plus Immobiliser and tracker. Now, this is a product we love fitting and have in most of our cars here at CBS, and is one that works on this lorry perfectly. Now, vehicles like this are of a high value, of course, and they are often left unattended and in weird and wonderful places. So securing them is absolutely vital to owning something like this. Now, whether you just have one lorry or a fleet of vehicles, this system can be used pretty much on anything with an engine. So that's vans, trucks, trailers, pretty much anything with a battery, we can fit these trackers to. And the immobilization feature of this particular one is an outstanding feature, one that we always fit here at CBS Automotive. So these lorries can take so many different upgrades, but I'm just going to take you through how the Scorpion S5 Plus works. Now you join me inside the truck, we're going to give you a little demonstration of how the Scorpion S5 Plus actually works in real life. So I have the key here and I also have the two fobs that you are given. So these two fobs are called ADR tags. They're fobs that come with you everywhere you go, and essentially the way they work is if they're in the truck when you start it up and go, not a problem. However, if these aren't in the truck or any vehicle that they're fitted to, when you try and start it, the vehicle will not start. It's one of my favorite characteristics about the S5 Plus. So just to give you a little demonstration now, I've got the two fobs with me here and I can put my foot on the brake and start up the truck. Not a problem. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to turn that off. I'm going to put these two fobs into a Faraday box. So we do sell these here at CBS Automotive. They're really nice quality bit of material. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these fobs just inside here and close that Faraday box up and just put it to the side. So now the two tags are away and secured in the Faraday box. I'm going to show you what it's like to try and start this truck now the fobs are no longer present. So I can see I can still put my foot on the brake and it basically will not turn on. Everything stays off. You cannot drive this truck away. Now, as soon as I get these two fobs here and open them up, we will be able to get some movement here and I will be able to start this truck up nice and easily. There we go. So that is a really simple demonstration of how these fobs work. It's a really lovely system in this truck and one that we love fitting. So we're going to jump out now. I'm going to take you through some of the other things we can add to these lorries and take it from there. So another one of the benefits of having the Scorpion S5 system is that you are able to work directly with the police, with Scorpion and the police, to return your vehicle to yourself quickly. As all of you might know, if a vehicle is ever stolen, the first few hours and days are absolutely vital to you getting that vehicle back in your possession safely. And having the tracker just speeds up that process. Now, with these lorries and trucks like this, and also other large vans, there are so many other upgrades we can add to it. And I'll just take you through some of the others. So starting, of course, with dash cameras. Now, a product that goes into most of our normal vehicles, but is absolutely vital for compliance on vehicles like this, trucks, vans, any fleet. Having dash cameras is a vital part to security, not only for your drivers, but for your insurance purposes. If anything were to happen out on those roads, you want to know about it and you want to know who was at fault. Dash cameras can as well help to reduce insurance policies and premiums and just make those overall costs cheaper, as well as giving you the peace of mind that if anything were to happen out on the road, you are protected. I tell many stories about dash cameras. I know so many people where they've had them and it has protected them in a case of a no-fault accident, and it has saved their money. So I would definitely recommend a dash camera on these. We obviously can fit a front dash camera, but there is also an option to add an external rear dash camera on these vehicles as well. It's a bit of a specialist product and does take time and care to do, but is one that is vital to securing a vehicle like this. Now, as you've probably seen on our other videos with dash cameras, you can also add in a parking battery. Now, there's a few options with dash cameras. We offer the ThinkWare and BlackView options. Now, ThinkWare comes with a 16-hour parking recording and BlackView comes with 30 hours of parking recording. Both are absolutely amazing options. Both of the apps are wonderful to use, and the camera quality, most importantly, is amazing on each of those options. So if you are looking for dash cameras on vehicles like these, or you have a fleet yourself that you need to get protected, do let us know here at the specialist team at CBS Automotive. Now, going back to the lorries for a minute, what I want to touch on is other compliance options we have. So of course you have force compliance that you have to have if you own a fleet like this, and there are so many options we can offer to help increase the safety of driving vehicles like this. They are large and they do get involved in accidents, and it's very easy to protect them as well. So things like blind spot monitoring is an absolute game changer. If you've driven a car or a vehicle that has it, you will know how useful it is, and it's probably saved you more times than you'd like to care to admit. Now, on trucks like these, the blind spots are huge. Drivers tend to sit in the blind spots, unfortunately, it happens. And so having those monitoring systems there, always protecting you, is vital to the safety of these kind of cars and vehicles. Now, the other things that we do on these vehicles very often is something with bespoke lighting options. So we have so many options, and we can sit down with you and build a package that works for you, for your compliance level, and what look you'd like to achieve. Whether that's providing work lights, giving your whole site illumination, and giving you the ability to work late into the night or into the early hours of the morning, or we can hit flashes on these vehicles to, again, increase compliance and safety and visibility if you are working near a roadside or anywhere dangerous. Now, these vehicles come to us all the time at CBS Automotive. We have our 11,000 square foot unit where we're able to work on these vehicles inside our specially designed bays, and we can get these vehicles protected and upgraded. So if you have a fleet of vehicles, whether that's cars, vans, trucks, or anything in between, do get in contact with our team here at CBS Automotive, and we will be able to find the best solution for you, ensuring efficiency and safety for all of your vehicles. My name's Amir, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.